Welcome back to the Cryptoverse YouTube channel. My name is Brandon and I am back with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about Harmony 1 because it is breaking out of a descending channel and potentially forming a swing continuation pattern. So with that being said, enough talking, let's roll the intro and let's hop straight on into the Cryptoverse. Welcome on over into the Cryptoverse, guys. So if you can see, we are looking at Harmony 1 on a CoinMarketCap website. It is currently ranked 87. The price is up 6.5% for the day, and we are currently sitting at a little bit above 6.5 cents right now. And the market cap is currently sitting at 697 million, and the trading volume is up a whopping 133% for the day, sitting at 35 million. So that is actually pretty huge. People are actually involved in Harmony a lot right now. So let's hop on over to the chart and let's check out that descending channel. So I've been talking about this descending channel for I think the last week, I think so it was, and we are still sitting in this area of value here. We have just barely, well, we broke out of it, we wicked out of it pretty hard, and we are getting pushed off of it pretty strongly right now at this day here. Pretty much we came up here and, well, we were just shy of that and we ended up pushing down. We came up to the top of this area of value here and we got pushed down pretty hard. And if you check out this swing that started here, we are still above the 50%, like I've been saying for the past few weeks now. This trend is still intact until we get a close below this 50% level. Not even one close, maybe even a few closes. Then this trend will be, invalid. If we get some closes below this 50% here, then it'll be a reversal here if we get that close. I'll show you what that looks like. So if we come up here and if we get a close below here, then that could be a sign of reversal there. But what we are seeing now, if we can get a close above this area of value here, which would be the high, the previous swing high here, then that will be a trend continuation. So that was a continuation there. We got to retrace, and if we get a close above that, then that is a potential continuation of this trend here that's forming for us to potentially come up here and hit this golden pocket up here at 161.8 at 8 cents pretty much. If we get a continuation and we stay above this 20 moving average like we are now, we above the 20 moving average. Just yesterday we closed below it. Now we are above it. If we can get a close above this 20 moving average, that is actually pretty huge. And then that'll help us to get above the area of value so we can push to this golden pocket at 8 cents. And then once we get that, there's another area of value right above us at 8 cents and a half to 10 cents that we were sitting sideways on before we ended up dumping some more. And that's another area of value. As you can see, if you look on the left hand side, we tested it a lot on this 4-hour chart. So that is another area of value that I'm looking at for Harmony 1. But we are breaking out of this descending channel pretty nicely. As you see, we got some high volume. Other than us getting pushed down a little bit right now, there is still 7 hours left in this daily chart. Then if you look here on the left hand side for the hourly chart, it looks like, so here we broke out of the area of value just a touch. Then we got this engulfing candle here, came back in. And now we're getting these small range candles on low volume. And then here, maybe we see something like this. Maybe we broke out of that, test our breakout area again, and then get a push through that. Or maybe we come up and test this again and see if there's enough buying pressure in for us to continue up. But as you see, the 20 moving average on the hourly chart is coming to meet us on this candle for this hour as of right now. We still have 21 minutes left in this hourly candle here. But for now, Harmony 1 is looking pretty good. And if we switch it to the 4-hour chart, we got some nice volume on the way up here. We got a nice range on this candle. We ended up breaking out somewhere around here. So yeah, I think we're going to come test this. As you see, it looks like we're testing this right here. We're in a nice little push up on this bar here. We broke down below. Now we're getting a nice little push up. Maybe they're just trying to shake out the weak hands that are still selling so that we can get some more pressure up to the upside. But even on the 4-hour chart, we're still above the 50 moving average, the 20 moving average, and the 100 moving average. So that is actually pretty huge there for the shorter time frame. And we are also above it on the 20 moving average on the daily chart. We're heading up towards the 200 moving average as of right now. And also it looks like the 50 moving average could potentially be coming to meet us down here somewhere at one of these price ranges here up here. But pretty much Harmony 1 is looking very, very good right now. We potentially are forming this continuation trend, like I was saying. So here to there to there, there, and if we get a close above here, or even multiple closes to give us even more confirmation, then that will be a very good sign for us to continue to push up and hit these higher price ranges. But so some price targets for this breakout here, if we get a continuation pattern, I am looking at, for me, I am looking at either 200% range of this, or I'm looking at this golden pocket here. So if I see, those are some profit taking targets for me for trading. But if you're long term, then none of this really matters, because you're just long term and you're just waiting for, obviously, for the price to go up so that you can hit your targets. But those are some targets that I am looking at for potential trades. So with that being said, hope you guys found some value out of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll have my Twitter link in the description below, also with my Discord link in the description below, if you want to come join my Discord and share ideas and help each other make money, because that's the whole idea of this channel, is to help you guys make money, to also help myself make money. And also, go check out my recent video about Harmony 1 gearing up for this month of July. As you see, the month of July is off to a good start right now. Let's just hope we can hold this momentum. With that being said, Cryptoverse out of here. See you guys in the next one.